And you might feel a little bit unclean in comparison to the thriving energy, full of life force and light shining from within. And that's why we're here. We are here to let go of that gray energy, dark spots, condensed, hardened stuff, which we normally wouldn't even feel because we are always so busy with doing things and doing stuff, responding to our environment. But here is stillness. Here is relaxation. Here is a place for deepest, deepest meditation. Here's a wonderful place to surrender and to absorb nature's bounty, nature's energy. This is a place to be energized. And now many, many curious little elementals come forward. They know what's coming. They will plug on your energy field. Tiny little hands or wings brush away or plug out of your energy field dark spots or gray energies, old unnecessary shieldings, hardened energy zones in your emotional body or mental body, even in your physical body, as they can reach through your energy field all the way down to the physical realm if need be.